สวัสดีครับ Greetings from Bangkok. Kasit Piromya once again. And this time I will give a sort of an observation or give my viewpoint a bit on the changing nature of Thai politics, or the changing nature of Thai political arena. And in this sense, I would just like to recall that for the past 90 years of modern Thai politics, since the end of the absolute monarchy in the year 1932, politics in Thailand have been about competition between and among political parties, with a decade or two of challenges forthcoming from the Communist Party of Thailand, who was during the 1960s and 70s operating from the jungles and forests of Thailand to try to bring about the fundamental social transformation of the Thai society. But the Communist Party of Thailand was more or less defeated. It did not gain ground inside the majority of the Thai population. And it lacked finally the support of the Chinese Communist Party as well as the Soviet Communist Party during the height of the Cold War. But the competition among political parties of Thailand continue to this very day. Some parties have some ideologies. Some parties represent the vested interest of some business group, of some retired military officers, some academicians and intellectuals, and so on. And it has been going on for decades, until the last general elections in Thailand on the 14th of May this year, 2023. Because the outcome of the national elections on the 14th of May has introduced a new element into the Thai political arenas. It has very much to do with some wishes and ideologies in the name of change. It's for the first time that a large number of Thai citizens has been thinking and wishing for fundamental changes in the Thai society. And the political party that has represented that notion of fundamental change in the Thai society is the Move Forward Party. Of course, the Move Forward Party, as one of the political parties participating in the 14 May elections, was competing to gain political power. But their ticket or their campaign, a sort of manifesto and so on, was about change. While other political parties were coming out with populist policy measures, promises to do this and that, but not about fundamental changes for the Thai society. So the result or the outcome of the national elections on the 14th of May has somewhat transformed the political arena of Thai politics or the nature of Thai politics. That could be said or stated that now the political arena is about retention of the status quo versus the desire for change. And the formation of the new government of Thailand a few days ago is the formation of the status quo elements of Thai political parties and personalities. While on the opposition side, in the name of the Move Forward Party, represents the desire for fundamental changes in the Thai society. So, political struggle from now on is not only about competition among and between political parties, but about two somewhat conflicting desires or ideologies. The retention of conservatism or the retention of the status quo of the establishment of the conservative elements versus the desire and the movement for changes in the Thai society. And those changes have to do with the reform of the military institution that has been very much a part and parcel of Thai political scene. The more participatory politics through decentralization of power from the center, namely Bangkok, to the hinterland and to the provinces. The reduction drastically of the power of the bureaucrats, of the bureaucracies, of the ministries, and those power to be delegated down to the local governments, to the professional association and interest groups, and so on. The reform of the judicial process to make it more transparent and accountable. The reform of about 40 laws or legislations that seems to be quite out of touch with the modern Thailand, and so on, to make the laws more clear and the services accessible to the people, and the enforcement of the law fair and within the realm of justice, and so on. So this is the arena that we are about to witness from now on. That how far can the conservative elements through the present cabinet of Thailand under the leadership of Prime Minister Sethar Thavisin can go on preserving the status quo, the conservations of all the old ways of doing things, and how far could they ward off the forces of changes that is being led at the moment by the Move Forward Party with the support of the younger generation of the Thai citizens who want to see more participatory politics, more transparency and accountability. This is a thing that for us citizens and friends of Thailand would have to be watching, and hopefully the forces of change will finally come to the victory. Hopefully that will be so, because the retention of status quo makes Thailand not progressing, standing still, while the challenges of the world have been on the increase. International competition has become more severe, but Thailand seems to be happy with the status quo. But that cannot be no longer be true, because the new generation, the younger generation, would like to see changes. And I think the forces of changes, from my own instinctive feeling, would overwhelm the retention of the status quo. It's a matter of time. Thank you very much. ขอบคุณมากครับ